Hello world! One day you will step back and you will finally see it all so clearly how the tangled knots of your unique path unravel in divine timing, never too early, never too late. How it all unfolded perfectly to lead you somewhere even greater than you had imagined. You will see the magic that created your life, the beauty in the messiness, the richness of your everyday world in all of its colors. You will recognize how some path had to end so others could begin, how some things had to fall apart so something new could come together. Maybe that thing that didn't work out was actually the greatest blessing that ever happened to you. Maybe that so-called failure was actually a gift. Maybe that rejection you received was how the universe protected you from something that would have held you back. And maybe where you are right now in this moment is exactly where you are supposed to be. How what you thought you wanted was nothing compared to what you ultimately received. So keep your heart open, honor the journey that brought you here today, and trust the path ahead. Nothing about your life has been a mistake. One day you will see your story is unfolding beautifully. By Sana Kate Lee. Story from Morning with Ama saying that, so today or tomorrow are you the queen, the king of your life? Today, I am. From the podcast interview of Anna, it said, have you seen what Anna has kept deep in her heart and what's important to her? The conversation goes that your part in 365 days gave you a lot of publicity, but tell, is there anything of the Ama from before the movie that you would like to go back to? It's an amazing feeling of joy that a little girl might feel every day gives me something new. Have learned to live here, and it's a challenge but in a good way. I try to never lose the joy, this joy of a little girl. This is stay with me. I am happy as you now, like a little girl who sees things for the first time. I am trying to not to lose this because of me. This is the essence of us. Here is Anna Cat. As today it's a World Cat Day, Leia the King greets everyone. Malutka the Queen also. P.S. You also ask yourself how you could live without these little loves before. He is Anna one and only boyfriend. And she is Anna one and only girlfriend. On Anna post today, she captioned it with, you know where love is. Everywhere. In every gesture you see, thoughts you get lost in, and the places that take your breath away. It's in the sunrise and the sunset. It's some people's eye. Smiles, anger, shouts, sadness, whisper in every touch, in books you're reading. It's all consuming energy everywhere. We turn. You feeling it deeply inside you gut when you hear your favorite songs? Someone you care about also care about you. It's in your deepest dream, in your every tear, every passion. It's when you are being gentle with yourself and treating yourself with the kindness that you so willing give to others. It's in all the mistake and heartbreak that have made you who you are by getting in and growing through them. I love you always, forever. Hope you can tell those words to yourself and you are deeply proud of the person you see in the mirror. May you continue embarking on the journey that brings you closer to you because you are full, all on your own. Anna's story with a caption of her, I am in heaven. These tapas are insane. I highly recommend it to you if you are from Rocklow or if you are going to be here. Good for you, Anna, as you are saying, I'm happy like a child because I'm on my way to see my favorite band concert. I'm happy like kiddo because I'm going for the concert of the band I adore the most. Good day, Simone. Hope you have a bright day ahead of you, as dashing as you look for today. For me, Simone, I like these looks of yours. You are right on it, Simone, as you have said that clean your energy, clean your mind, stay positive and grateful for everything. Always live for it for every day. As you got a good nice look on your Giorgio Armani outfit. Big question, Simone. Are you going to have your tattoo? Penruba is in Lemontagno, located in Kafar-Bedian, Lebanon. It has a breathtaking view of the Mediterranean. This is just one aspect of what you can experience there. Lemontagno is a restaurant, an alpine ski resort, and a trendy cool club all at once. It is a truly beautiful and must-visit location where you can enjoy the extraordinary sunset in the mountains. While the DJ play cool house music in the background, the atmosphere is quieter, which is perfect for a romantic evening. Overall, spending day at Kafar-Bedian, catching the sunset, and ending the day in Montagno was just perfect. You can enjoy it for a romantic evening, dinner with friends, or dinner with family. Is it true, as Michele said, that he downloaded around Dragon Ball? But can I ask you guys, do you think Brando can be a part of Dragon Ball team? For me, it's a yes. It's a repost of Michele from this IG page. Oh, so sad of the message, as it said that why Michele ruined Laura's life. Is it true to the reply of Michele that he can't get over? An interview with the cast and director of the movie Home Sweet Home Rebirth.
I'm William Mosley and I'm playing Jake.
I'm Yaya and I'm playing the role of Prang.
Hello everybody, my name is Michele Morrone and I play Mac.
안녕하세요, 사와디카. This is Alexander Lee and I'm playing the role of the novice monk Chan.
I'm Alex and I'm Stefan and we're the...
This is how they explain their character on the movie.
The gamer fans know about it. It's a very mysterious place and viewers will definitely learn a lot about Thai superstitions.
It is about a person who wants to take over the earth that we...
But it needs a body, it needs a human being to do that. So you just decide suddenly to go and possessed, get weird on this.
We should always have to remember this lesson of the movie. Hear this out.
About a family who happens to stumble upon this world unexpectedly and gets dragged in. And we'll have to see who survives, who makes it out.
To prepare this character, I had to understand the behind story of this monk, try to relate more to the game so that I could be similar to the game one, but with my own personality. And the novice monk is really a key person to helping.
Oh, I'm getting more excited for this film.
Home Sweet Home with Alex and Stefan became a very cinematic movie, visually stunning, with beautiful, amazing locations. So I'm sure that people around the world will appreciate.
I hope all of us will watch the film, as we should not have missed this new character of Michele. From Danny Kralik about the behind the scene of Hell Energy Drink, it said that, I'm relieved that I can finally share some of my most loved moments on set ever. It's huge when you can have such talent and this crew all together in full focus. where I'm lucky one that can capture the whole effort. The control I felt and the whole vibe was just addictive. I could brag about it in 20 more lines, like we shot 7 days straight before without a break to finish 8 commercials and going instantly to these 2 days of pure joy. In the end, we could not hug each other enough times to channel all the positive energy we had. With some of them, we kept texting to each other for hours. Thank you, Michele, for trusting us with your story and Hell Energy Drink to give us green light on a brave project like this, the behind-the-scene photos, where I can show myself looking like I know what I'm doing is made by the best in business. Here is a new song composed of Michele this time. Home Sweet Home Rebirth movie is really getting near. On the new campaign ad of Michele at Hell Energy Drink, it has an exciting caption, and I tell many will gonna be excited as it caption, "Raise your Hell Energy Drink high because we are celebrating our biggest game ever has begun with over 1,000 prizes up for grabs." Go to winwithhell.com, choose your country, register and upload the codes from the opening tab of promotional Hell drink can. Daily prizes, Hell sneakers, Hell jean jacket, and Hell travel bag. Weekly prizes, iPhone 16 with unique Hell case and a dinner in Italy with Michele Morrone. And the grand prize, Mercedes AMG A35. On winning Saturday, even more Hell accessories will be given away. You can enter up to 5 times per day. Don't miss your chance! What can you say, guys, on this promo game of Hell Energy Drink? Isn't it that it is so fun and exciting, especially an opportunity that if you are from other country, a chance to go to Italy, and the best one, a chance to have dinner with Michele. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 50 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Calm and relax energy. Send the message that you feel safe and confident. So the first step is to convince your mind and body that you don't feel afraid by taking a slow deep breath and then stretch and focus on relaxing your body. This will turn off the part of your brain that is putting you into the fight or flight response. Do some exercise to get the anxious energy out of your body. Once you achieve a calm and mind relaxed body, you are ready to connect and ask for support or focus on solutions. If you want better relationship in your life, try working on consciously presenting calm, confident, and assertive energy to the people around you and watch how they start responding to you with the same positive energy. Love is the best feeling of validation. It means that someone believes that you are enough as you are enough for them to love, value, and appreciate. Someone else acknowledges everything good about you and wants to be with you and like you as a person. that they want to share their life, their time, their energy, their love, their affection, their trust, their feelings, their vulnerability, and hopes and dreams with you. By Joel Clemons.